Walter Gropius was born in Berlin, Germany on May 18, 1883. He was one of three and was born into a historic lineage of architects. He was known for doing buildings and designs such as the Bauhaus in Dessau, Germany, and also designed his own house. But the building in question is the Faguswerk building in Germany. It was to be a shoe factory built between 1910 and 1911. The architect had to fit its function and make it consistent with a constructive logic based on function. Gropius did not want to mask the shape but empower its capabilities. The building had an office, production warehouse, and a warehouse. It had reinforced concrete structure with the support displaced inwards, which allowed to free the exterior walls. The main office building had the first examples of an established curtain wall system. Peter Behrens was also born in Germany, but in Hamburg in 1868. He became infamous when becoming an artistic consultant for AEG in 1907, and then was later put in charge for developing the AEG factory in 1908. In accepting the challenge of designing his first industrial building, Behrens, one of many concerns, were to design to the level of established cultural standards. The idea to transform brute everyday life into dignified existence. The structural makeup of the factory consists of asymmetrical, three-hinge arches reinforced by a transversal tie rod. The engineer Carl Bernard played a major role in this design. The similarities between the two buildings was that the function of each facility built had to carry way more significance than the form. Great engineering tasks and architectonic experiments were developed to house the proper tools and equipment needed. In these similarities, there are also differences between the two factories. The differences range between both design and structure. The Faguswerks had a building embodied by a prismatic block, three plans with rectangular and a flat base, which reinforced the concrete structure. Behrens, with the AEG factory, concealed the fact that the actual structural system was made up of a series of hinged arches by capping the building with a large cornice.
She want it, I can tell she want it. Want me to push up on it, for she know where I'm all on it. We get the party going, liquor flowing, this is fire. 50 in Jeremiah, number one, there's nothing higher.